Managing blood sugar is important not just for people with diabetes, but for everyone. The spikes in glucose levels can have long-term effects on your health, increasing risks like heart disease and other complications. But here's the thing, you don't have to give up flavor or satisfaction to keep your levels in check. There are certain foods that naturally help regulate blood sugar without causing it to rise. Let's dive into 12 such foods, each packed with benefits to keep you healthy, full, and worry-free about your glucose levels. Number 12. Unsweetened Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has been celebrated for its high protein content and low carbohydrate impact, making it perfect for anyone concerned about their blood sugar. Unlike regular yogurt, it packs in twice the protein, which helps slow digestion and control how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. And it's not just the protein. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which play a crucial role in promoting gut health and improving insulin sensitivity. This combo makes it a double win. Want to make it even better? Add some chia seeds or a few fresh berries for a snack that keeps you full and keeps your blood sugar steady. It's a tasty way to maintain control without sacrificing flavor. Number 11. Nuts, almonds, pecans, walnuts. Nuts, especially almonds, pecans, and walnuts, are more than just a convenient snack. They're filled with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which work together to keep blood sugar levels stable. The beauty of nuts is their low glycemic load, which means they hardly affect your glucose levels, and the fiber helps slow the absorption of any carbohydrates you might be eating with them. Almonds have been studied extensively and shown to lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. If you're looking for a snack that's quick, easy, and safe for your glucose levels, a small handful of nuts is the way to go. Number 10. Chia and flax seeds. These tiny seeds might not seem like much, but they pack a punch when it comes to blood sugar control. Chia and flax seeds are loaded with fiber, which is essential in slowing down the digestion process and keeping your blood sugar from spiking. Just an ounce of chia seeds contains nearly 10 grams of fiber. Both seeds are incredibly versatile. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, and you'll hardly notice them while reaping huge benefits. Chia and flax not only help with blood sugar control, but also keep you feeling full for hours, helping to curb cravings for less healthy options. Number 9. Non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, and mushrooms are great for keeping blood sugar in check. Low in carbs, but high in fiber, they provide a filling meal component without causing your glucose to spike. Broccoli, in particular, contains sulforaphane, a compound known to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Whether you roast them, steam them, or eat them raw, non-starchy vegetables are a go-to for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar effectively. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, adding even more health benefits to the mix. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa might look like a grain, but it's actually a seed that's bursting with protein and fiber. Because of its low glycemic index, quinoa digests slowly, preventing any quick jumps in blood sugar. What sets quinoa apart is that it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it ideal for people who want to feel full and energized without worrying about blood sugar spikes. Quinoa's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your meals. Whether you're using it in a salad, as a side dish, or even in soups, quinoa adds a protein-packed punch to any dish without sending your blood sugar levels into a frenzy. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados are not just a trendy toast topping, they're also a fantastic way to keep blood sugar levels in check. Loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, avocados slow down digestion and prevent quick sugar absorption, keeping your glucose levels stable. The fats in avocados are particularly effective in improving insulin sensitivity, helping your body handle blood sugar more efficiently. Mash it on whole grain toast, slice it into a salad, or simply enjoy it with a spoon. Avocados are a creamy, delicious way to protect your blood sugar while staying full. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are a zero-carb, high-protein powerhouse, making them perfect for people looking to manage their blood sugar. They don't affect glucose levels, but they do help you stay full longer, reducing the urge to snack on sugary or carb-heavy foods throughout the day. You can enjoy eggs in countless ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or even baked into a frittata. Adding eggs to your meals ensures you're getting a high-quality protein source without worrying about sudden spikes in blood sugar. Plus, they're incredibly affordable and easy to prepare. Number 5. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. Berries are a delicious and healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth without causing blood sugar spikes. Unlike other fruits, which can be higher in sugar, berries have a low glycemic index and are packed with fiber and antioxidants. These antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, have been shown to reduce blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries can be eaten on their own or added to yogurt, smoothies, or salads. They're a great way to enjoy a sweet snack while keeping your glucose levels steady. The antioxidants in berries also help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in blood sugar regulation. Number 4. Beans, lentils, chickpeas. Beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which are essential for keeping blood sugar levels in check. They're also low in fat and have a low glycemic load, meaning they won't cause rapid spikes in glucose levels. Beans and legumes like lentils and chickpeas are absorbed slowly by your body, providing a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream. Add beans to your soups, stews, salads, or even as a base for veggie burgers. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients that support blood sugar control. You can make a big batch of lentil soup. Number 3. Fish, salmon, sardines. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. What's even better is that fish contains no carbohydrates, so it won't raise your blood sugar levels at all. These healthy fats help regulate blood sugar by improving how your body processes glucose. Whether you're grilling, baking, or sautéing fish, it's a delicious and easy way to add high-quality protein to your diet. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week for its blood sugar stabilizing benefits. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean diets, and for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. These healthy fats also help reduce inflammation, making it easier for your body to manage glucose levels. Use olive oil in salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it as a cooking base for your meals. Not only will it add flavor and richness to your dishes. Number 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutritional powerhouses. They're low in carbs, high in fiber, and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, which plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support overall health. Add them to your smoothies, stir-fries, or salads to give your meals a nutritional boost. Whether you're cooking them down or eating them raw, leafy greens are an easy and effective way to keep your blood sugar steady while enjoying all the health benefits they offer. And there you have it, -12 delicious foods that won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster. From the creamy richness of avocados to the protein-packed punch of eggs and the omega-3 benefits of fish, there's something for everyone. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction to keep your glucose levels in check. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.